In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search your inbox in Yahoo Mail. We'll start at the very beginning so everything is clear. Open your web browser and head over to yahoo.com. At the top right, select the sign in option and log into your account using your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're signed in and on the main Yahoo page. Next, look to the top right for the mail icon. Click it to open Yahoo Mail. Once your mailbox loads, make sure you're looking at your inbox. Selecting inbox is helpful because it focuses your search on messages that land there, which is where most new emails live. Now direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the mail page. This is your starting point for finding messages quickly. Click inside the search bar. You can search by almost anything you remember about an email, a word from the subject line, the name of a sender, a company, or a term that appeared in the message itself. Type a keyword that best represents what you're trying to find. For example, type sign in. You can keep it simple with a single word or use a short phrase. If you're searching for that exact phrase, including the quotation marks is a handy way to keep the words together, but a single keyword often works well. After you've entered your keyword, press enter on your keyboard to run the search. Yahoo Mail will display a list of matching emails. You'll notice that your keyword appears highlighted in the results. That highlight is there to help your eyes land on the relevant part of each message preview quickly, whether it's in the subject, the sender details, or the message snippet. Take a moment to scan the list. Results are typically arranged by date with the most recent messages at the top. If you're not seeing what you expect, double check the spelling of your keyword, try a slightly different term, or use a more distinctive word you remember from the email. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Also keep in mind that search looks across the important parts of an email, so even a word buried in the message body can bring back the right conversation. That's all there is to it. By going to Yahoo, signing in, opening mail, selecting your inbox, clicking the search bar, entering a keyword like sign in, and pressing enter, you'll see your matches with the keyword highlighted, making it fast and easy to pinpoint the exact message you need.